If you're somebody that's struggling to find happiness in their everyday life and you turn to that one person and say, gosh, I wish I could be just as happy and as grateful as them, then you clicked on the right video because I'm about to give you the 4 best ways to access your truest gratitude. These strategies are super important, so make sure to stick around to the very end. Now, one of the best ways to access your truest gratitude is to practice meditation daily. When you practice meditation daily, you're able to increase your sense of mindfulness with your mind and your body. This can help you to appreciate even the smallest things like your breath and your beating heart. And over time, this can help you to improve your mental well-being, which is super important for happiness. Meditation can be great for accessing your truest gratitude. Another important thing to consider is counting your blessings. How many times have you taken advantage of the smallest things that you have every day? If your answer is many times, then a good place to start is by appreciating your health. Moving on to our 3rd best way to access our truest gratitude, and that's by expanding our community. When we diversify our community, we are able to understand perspectives outside of our own. This helps us to recognize that gratitude does not have to just exist within ourselves, but through other people. And finally, the best way to access our truest gratitude is to write down something good that has happened to us every day. And this could look like somebody holding a door open for you, saving you a seat on the bus, or even paying for your lunch. While all these strategies can be super important for accessing your truest gratitude, another important thing to consider is why stop there? Why not improve other aspects of your life, like your weight loss journey? If this sounds interesting to you, then you need to check out my video on how to lose weight before 2025. It will help you build good habits to end off the year and carry into the new year. Make sure to click the link on the screen to access this now.